Hazrat Abdullah bin Masud radiyallahu anhu states that Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, I definitely know that person who will be taken out of hell in the end. He will exit hell dragging his buttocks. It will be said to him, Go enter paradise. He will go and enter paradise and find that the people are residing in their respective dwellings. It will be said to him, Do you remember the time you have spent? He will reply in the affirmative. He will be asked to aspire. He will aspire. It will be said to him, Take whatever you aspire and a place 10 times of world in addition. That man will submit, You are kidding me, whereas you are the real master. Hazrat Abdullah bin Masud radiyallahu anhu says that Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam saying it loved revealing even his molars. Sahih Muslim Hadith number 461.